What's life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to, bright and cold? 'Cause it's difficult, yeah, it's very difficult. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've got to face. For in this cycle that we collide, we are the one who are next to line. We are next to line. What is life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look through beyond the dividing cold? 'Cause it's difficult, yeah, it's stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. This song to